Welcome back to the Wonder Garden channel. I'm thrilled to meet you again in a new video where we'll share simple and approachable plant care methods together. Today I bring you a small but special story about an anthurium plant that was once wilted, nearly lifeless. But after being cared for properly, it made a surprising recovery. No need for expensive chemical fertilizers or professional gardening tools. Everything I use is simple, things you can find right in your kitchen. With just a few easy steps, a straightforward recipe, and daily patience, I believe you too can have a garden bursting with vibrant flowers. Let's get started. This anthurium pot is facing serious issues. As you can see, the leaves are turning yellow, and the stem and tip show signs of waterlogging and rot. This is a common problem many plant enthusiasts encounter. When seeing a plant in this condition, many choose to discard it, thinking it's beyond saving. But in reality, if handled correctly and promptly, we can still revive this plant at home. The first step is to remove the plant from its pot and take out all the old growing medium to thoroughly check the condition of the roots and stem. This is a critical step to eliminate any remaining pathogens and prepare for the recovery process. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, I'll use specialized scissors to cut away all the damaged, rotten roots, those no longer capable of absorbing water and nutrients. At the same time, I'll remove any leaves showing signs of disease to prevent spreading to the rest of the plant. The pruning and removal of damaged parts is extremely crucial, as it accounts for 80% of the plant's chances of survival. When you boldly remove all diseased roots or stems, the plant becomes much safer. Pathogenic fungi no longer have a place to cling to or spread, completely halting the rotting process and giving the plant a chance to recover healthily. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After pruning, I'll gently rinse the entire plant with clean water. This step aims to completely remove any sap residue from the freshly cut roots and clean off dust, bacteria, or pathogens that may be clinging to the leaves, stem, and roots. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. To treat this anthurium, I'll use garlic, a familiar household ingredient. I'll use 3 garlic cloves. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful antibacterial and antifungal compound that helps eliminate lingering pathogens on the plant. I'll finely chop the 3 garlic cloves and soak them in about 500 milliliters of clean water for 30 minutes. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After 30 minutes, we'll filter out the garlic water for the next step in the plant treatment process. The next ingredient I'll use is honey. Honey helps stimulate tissue regeneration, promotes new root growth, and also has natural antibacterial properties. I'll use about half a teaspoon of honey. Stirring it thoroughly with the filtered garlic water from the previous step. To prevent shocking the plant, I'll dilute this concentrated solution with 2 liters of water. Now, I'll soak the entire base of the anthurium in this garlic honey solution. I'll soak it for 30 minutes to allow the active compounds in garlic and honey to penetrate the root tissues, disinfecting while stimulating new root growth. During this soaking time, the plant will be cleansed of pathogens causing root rot, while receiving a natural energy boost for quick recovery. While waiting for the plant to soak its roots in the garlic solution, I'll use the remaining solution to care for other plants in the garden. Method 1. I'll use this solution to wipe the leaves of the plant. Using a soft cotton pad dipped in the solution, I'll gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. The allicin in garlic is a natural compound with strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Wiping the leaves with this solution helps remove dust, prevents fungal diseases, and repels harmful insects. Additionally, the honey in the solution provides a light, nourishing layer, helping to retain moisture and naturally gloss the leaves while boosting the plant's resilience. Wiping the leaves not only cleans off dust, but also has antifungal and antibacterial properties, reducing harmful bacteria that often appear on leaf surfaces, especially during the humid rainy season. This creates a thin protective layer, making the leaves glossier, enhancing photosynthesis, and increasing the plant's resilience. It's also a great opportunity to closely inspect each leaf for early signs of the pests or diseases. Regularly wiping leaves with natural solutions like this is safe, cost-effective, and keeps your plants lush, clean, and thriving. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. When you notice the anthurium's flowers turning green like this, it's a clear sign that the plant is lacking light. Anthuriums prefer bright, indirect light. They don't need harsh sunlight, but still require sufficient natural light to maintain the vibrant color of their flowers. When they don't get enough light, the red pigments in the flowers gradually fade and are replaced by green, as you're seeing here. The solution is to move the plant to a location with stronger indirect light, such as near a window or a balcony with a sunshade. Method 2. Besides using the solution to wipe leaves, you can also pour the garlic water into a spray bottle. Then, lightly mist the leaves, stem, and roots of the ornamental plants in your garden. The natural active compounds in garlic, such as allicin, saponins, and sulfur, have antibacterial, antifungal, and insect repellent properties. When sprayed on the plant, they not only clean the leaf surface but also create a protective layer, reducing the attack of common fungal diseases. At the same time, the nutrients in garlic stimulate the plant's resilience and promote more stable growth in natural conditions. When using a spray bottle to mist the plant, you're providing just the right amount of water. This amount doesn't cause waterlogging, doesn't pool at the roots or in leaf crevices, but is enough to create a gentle moisture coating on the leaves, stem, and surrounding environment. This helps maintain the ideal humidity for plant growth, especially for moisture-loving orchids like Phalaenopsis. Misting also cools the plant and limits fungal growth if done correctly at the right time of day. Method 3. I'll further dilute the remaining solution with an additional 500 milliliters of water to reduce the allicin concentration, ensuring it doesn't harm sensitive roots. I'll use this water to directly water the base of the plants. This care method allows the plant to absorb nutrients comprehensively through the roots. As the solution seeps into the soil, natural components like allicin from garlic and enzymes and vitamins from honey take effect. They eliminate soil fungi, promote beneficial microbial growth, and encourage a healthy root system that absorbs nutrients better. This is a simple yet effective long-term method for garden plants, especially those recovering or developing new roots. After 30 minutes of soaking in the solution, I'll take the anthurium's base out and proceed to repot it. I'll use garden soil and coconut coir as the growing medium. Mixed at a ratio of 1 part soil to 2 parts coir. This ratio keeps the medium loose and airy, allowing roots to grow easily, while preventing water retention that could cause root rot. This simple mixing method is ideal for repotting anthurium after treating its roots with the natural solution. First, I'll place a thin layer of the medium at the bottom of the pot to ensure root aeration. Then, I'll carefully place the treated anthurium base in the pot, adjusting it to stand upright and centered. Next, I'll gently cover the base with the mixed medium, lightly pressing to secure the plant, ensuring the base isn't buried too deep while remaining airy. This planting method helps the anthurium stabilize quickly in the new pot and recover soon after the medium change. After repotting, I'll use a spray bottle to evenly mist the garlic solution over the base and surrounding medium surface. This disinfects and prevents harmful bacteria and fungi after the medium change. Finally, I'll thoroughly water the pot with the remaining liquid fertilizer solution to provide initial nutrients, helping the plant recover quickly and develop strong new roots. To create an ideal growth environment, I'll use a plastic cup with pre-drilled holes like this. Then, I'll gently place the cup over the pot to cover it completely, creating a mini greenhouse. Results after 1 month. The plant bases have started to revive, sprouting new baby shoots. Young leaves are vibrant green, glossy and sturdy, indicating the plant is adapting, absorbing nutrients well, and growing healthily in its new environment. I'll continue watering the base and misting with the garlic and honey solution to boost the plant's natural resilience, support stable root growth, prevent fungal diseases, and speed up recovery. Results after 5 more months. The plant bases have grown significantly stronger, with dense new roots firmly anchored to the medium, showing excellent nutrient absorption. The leaves are more abundant, thick, deep green, and glossy, with no signs of wilting or yellowing as before. Baby shoots from the base have grown larger, developing into strong, vibrant new shoots. The plant has bloomed again, with vibrant, colorful flowers. New buds have also appeared, signaling a healthy and sustainable growth cycle. What do you think about how I revived this plant? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm always excited to read your feedback and experiences. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share with friends, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel to stay updated with more orchid care tips.